Welcome back to Energy and Cleaning and Life Hacks. If you ever wondered what happens when you put ice in your dryer, today I'm going to show you a super cool trick that's going to save you a ton of time, and we're going to be experimenting on these right here really quick. On your dryer, you may have an option that says Wrinkle Shield. I accidentally discovered this because the baby was pushing the buttons and the dryer kept going on and off and on and off. So you may have this option available to you, but if you want something a little bit more eco-friendly, then you're gonna wanna know this. Before we dive in, let's examine the wrinkles on these 4 t-shirts right here. We got this one, we got this blue one, we got some wrinkles going on there, we got this dark blue one here, a little bit wrinkly, and then we got this one right here. By the way, if you're new, when I buy something, I like to buy all of it in the colors I like. When something works, I work it good. If you love this shirt, it's linked in my Amazon store in that description box below. So let's go ahead and put these in the dryer. There we go. Now we're gonna take some ice. I'm just gonna take a handful of ice cubes right here. I got 3, I don't know, I feel like 4 for good measure. We're gonna toss those right on in there. And then I'm actually gonna go to quick dry. I'm gonna adjust the drying time so that I can select the amount of time that I wanna put that in there. But let's just go with, I don't know, 8 minutes seems good. What do y'all think? Yes, yes? All right, go ahead and hit start. We are just at 4 minutes and you barely can hear the ice cubes in there. I think there's just 1 remaining that needs to be melted. And at 3 minutes with a medium temperature, the ice is all melted. So let's just go take it out and see what we're working with. I noticed a little dampness, so I could have kept them in there a bit longer. But wrinkle-wise, I'm actually relatively impressed. I do have a better alternative here for you, but for only 8 minutes and 4 ice cubes, I think it looks much better than it did. Let's look at this pink one right here. Oh, that was laying on top of there. Yeah, so yeah, it did do some good de-wrinkling. Now, here is a better alternative, especially if you do not have the Wrinkle Shield on here. This is used mostly, in my opinion, if you are not going to be able to get things out of your dryer right away and you don't want them just sitting in there. It turns on and off and fluffs them. Get yourself one of these. This is in my bathroom because I use it that often. This is also linked in my Amazon store. Super easy. Put water in it, plug it in, steam away, and you are wrinkle-free in less time than you would be if you were to put ice in your dryer. True story. Now, if you want to learn how to reduce your laundry time by 82% or more, no joke, click the video on screen now, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.